Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming two things: your SSS SSS account is active and your UnionBank online/bank account is ready to link. Once those are set, log into My SSS and navigate directly to the eServices section to start a quick card request. This avoids extra verification loops. Make sure your profile details, name, address, and mobile match your bank records. Doing this now saves repeated rejections and speeds the digital identity check required by both SSS and UnionBank. You will now work through the form carefully. Select Quick Card and pick Delivery or Branch Pickup. Choose Delivery only if your address matches UnionBank. Then enter your bank account number and Union account nickname exactly. Typos cause delays. Next, upload a clear ID image and a selfie for liveness verification. This is why quality matters. Once done, review every field, then submit. If an OTP is requested, authorize it from your bank app immediately to complete the linkage step. You finish by saving the confirmation number and taking screenshots of the success page. These prove submission if tracking lags. After submission, monitor My SSS and your UnionBank app for status updates. Processing can take several business days. If you receive a rejection, don't panic, check the rejection reason, compare each field between systems, correct mismatches, and reapply. A key troubleshooting tip: mismatched name spelling or account number causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.